Welcome. This is a fighting plane. It is moved nicely by blowing air. Look how it is moving. Okay, now I show you how to make this. This is a piece of paper and I fold like this way. You just watch. Okay, look. This is extra, so I cut this with a scissor. Okay, first I fold like this, then I fold this way. You just look. Now open and fold like this. Watch clearly, and this side also. Look how I fold. Now I fold here. See clearly, and this side also. Okay, now I fold from here, also here, and again fold like this. Okay, it is ready for moving and it is ready for flying. You just blow air backside of this plane, then it will be moved. Look, good. Again look, good. Thank you.